can hear myself think. What's up, guys? T-Fade back with the CRV, back on the Finding SQ, and it's gonna be 70 something today, so I can rock the muscle tee and turn off the damn noisemakers back there. So today's project is pretty simple. Take the windshield out. I mean, how hard can that be? I should probably mention, I've never done this before. So, let's see. Good old Harbor Freight. So, the tools we have. I got two different tools to take this thing out. So, I got this, I think this is called a pull knife. And the general idea here is you take the blade here and stuff it up under there, and then use that handle and you pull while you're cutting the urethane, I guess it is. And then this one here, I don't know if guys have ever seen this, but you take this wire, use this little tool here, and then you like stuff it through the thing, and then use the handles here to make like a wire saw, and then you just kind of you pull it all the way around to cut the thing. And from what I understand, this one is more of if you don't care about the windshield. But I mean, the windshield's actually in good shape, so I'm hoping to save it. So I'm gonna try this one and see what kind of nightmare it is. And then obviously I have these little suction cups to help me pull the summits off, because this ought to be fun by myself. I just put, blue tape doesn't stick worth a shit to the interior, but I'm doing my little saw motion here and got into the pillar. Good times. So you take this thing, and this is sort of like a wire puller, if you guys have ever used one of those. You take the wire here, you jab it on the end, and then I just stuffed it through there, came out the other side, and then you take these little T-handles and they slide like this, and you push the wire up, and then you stuff in that little hole. And then when you pull, you got a handle to hang on to it. Word. Shit. Probably should have left that coiled up. Oh. Now where am I gonna put this sumbitch? Well, it's out. couple little tragedies, but not terrible, I guess. Ugh. I mean, most of this is getting cut up anyway, but damn. She's out. Now we can start really tearing stuff up. All right, now that the windshield is out, this is the planned location for the U3s. So the next order of business is going to be getting this airbag out. So I don't really know how to do this, and this airbag scared the crap out of me. So I'm gonna pop the hood, disconnect the battery, dig around in here. Imagine there's some bolts or something, and then find the clip, and I'll get back with you guys when we get that far. All right, well, that's out and scary, even though the battery's disconnected. And I was trying to hunt this wire that connects it wherever that goes down here to try to get it off. So I started ripping all this apart, but I think maybe I can accomplish what I want, or the information that I need, just having it hanging right there. Because the only thing I was worried about was cutting the spot for the dash for the driver. So I think we're good. I think we're good in here. This vent might get compromised, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, I think we're gonna be all right. Got some voids down there, so I'm gonna start poking holes in it.